Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. Here with Jacob, just eating some gummy butterflies. We're back out here where we went hiking the other day. We're kind of in search of a place to build like a little shelter or like a little hangout spot. We might get sidetracked with maybe some gold panning or even just some random hiking around. So we're just trying to locate a good spot. So I hope you guys enjoy this little video today. Stick with me. All right, guys. Jacob just got done finishing a little makeshift bridge over there so we can get across the creek. Let's see here. Do you go down and around this way?
Yeah, you gotta go that way. Watch your steps.
No, I will. Ugh.
Want me to carry some shit?
Yeah, here's my fishing pole and that stuff.
You gotta step down. The log, the big one, is
What's up?
But that big one right there, is dirty.
Okay.
So is the big one next to it. So you can put one on each of your log.
Oh, hell yeah, bro.
Yeah, there's a bridge.
Nice bridge. Oh, look at that little bridge. Heck yeah. It's a nice little spot.
Somebody else is here.
What's that? Look at that little fire pit. Heck, we might just make our fort over here. Do a little checky. Looking at everything. No, there's a few. I've caught a few chub in that little hole right in there. Yeah, they're in the bag. All right. Might do like a little survival catch and cook someday. That'd be so cool. And I know there's another pool upstream that way. But just look at the scenery over here. That's the rock we climbed on the other day. But I think this would be, do you think this is a good spot for a fort, man? Like this will just be our fortress hangout? We'll get right back with you. Jacob's gonna try and see if he can't catch any creek chub.
Getting hit.
Oh, I thought he took part of your worm. Cast upstream a little bit, like just open it up and just lob it over there. There you go. Get on this side of you. Oh, you almost had him.
What? He totally took it.
Just leave it in there for a good minute.
He took it though.
Leave it in there. You gotta really feel him. Nice, bro. Nice. Oh, he came off. He came off.
What the frick?
Oh, it's
you
cool.
You really want me to take it? Let him take it?
They hitting it again? Oh yeah, it's a nice little guy. Bring him over
He
here.
didn't even eat the worm.
Look at that.
We're gonna live off a creek chub.
Nice little creek chub. We can literally survive on this stuff just right out of the creek. I'm just gonna get him off the hook for you.
I can hold the camera.
Yeah, sure. All right, look at Jacob's little creek chub. Colors in him. Alrighty, so we're thinking about tying a ridge line to one of these trees, to this tree here. We're gonna cut this birch log right here to length and tie it as a ridge pole up against these two trees. And we're gonna try and do like a little lean-to form shelter. We may upgrade it in the future, so we're just gonna start by trimming this log up like over here. Here, just to line it up with the tree for measurements. So, stick with us. cut the length now. Now we're gonna try and tie it to the tree. Maybe try and straighten it up a little bit. But all right, so slight change of plans. We're not gonna do it across this way. We're gonna do it across this way. You know, let's set that down. Alright, so we got one side tied up. Took a little minute. But now we're about to tie this other side up here. We got the ridge line up, guys. So, pretty good. I'm gonna tie up a middle. We're gonna tie up some line on this middle pole here. But yeah, we'll get right back to you. Oh yeah, that's on there, bro. Oh yeah. All right. It's a good, nice, tight ridge line right there. Taking a little fishing break. Jacob's gonna try and catch some creek chub for you guys.
There you go, guys. All right, guys, we're going upstream. Come on, Olaf. Go, puppy.
Jacob just got himself actually a decent creek chub there.
How do you get it out?
You wanna?
Oh, dude.
There you go. You got it.
Oh, yeah!
Nice, bro. Yeah, but this hole, this looks like a nice, really nice hole right here. Jacob said he goes swimming here when he comes camping in this area. So, got myself a nice little worm on there. Did you?
They tore my freaking. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a good spot.
You're gonna get one before you even.
Oh, I thought I had one.
Wait, no. Dude, yeah, I did that twice, and then the third hit a totally separate fish.
Really?
Yeah. Every time you lose a fish, just like start doing what you were doing.
Oh my god.
You just fling him out of the water. Look at that little guy. Dude, I told you, dude, it makes so much.
They're so much fun to catch, dude. I know, right? Oh, I'm getting hits. I'm getting so many hits. They all swarm. There's one. Oh, dude, nice. Look at that, guys. Creek chub. Nice, bro. Nice. It's so easy, right? It's so easy. When you get used to setting the hook, you'll catch it so crazy.
That's like twice in a row.
Decent one, dude. Heck yeah. Look how big this one is. Heck yeah, nice little creek chub there. Decent little fish. It's got some, they have. Oh, nice, double up.
Dude, that was nice.
Right?
Nice. I need it.
Heck yeah, I don't know. I felt the meat on him. It's got enough, like quite a bit of meat.
Dude, look at the worms still on there. I caught one, dude. Nice. That's the worm. It looks pretty good. I'm pretty sure it looks fine.
Oh, that was a taker.
Get it, man. Get it.
Oh, did he take it?
Yeah, you get the little worm. Oh. I caught it.
Ooh,
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
that's
whoa.
a big one.
Dude! Dude, it's huge! Dude! Dude! Oh my god! Nice. It goes down, man. It goes down. Oh my god!
Oh my god, he's huge. Yeah, I'm feeling him, bro. It's got some meat. Some decent meat. Look at him.
Well, like what?
That is so cool. Yeah. So, the reason why the video didn't continue, if you guys are curious, I had lost my phone in the creek due to the dog pushing the tripod in. So I got a brand new phone. This is like one of the first videos taken up from my phone. So, I'm just gonna end part 1 here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Go ahead and hit a comment. Subscribe to my channel. Or go ahead and leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you guys a part of my community, and I always love hearing from you guys. So as always, keep living, keep fishing, and I'll see you guys in my next video.